Hi guys, welcome to the Quiz Network. Here are 3 exciting levels including numbers, letters and emojis. Are you ready? Let's start. Start with easy level. Nobody can find the number 8. Amazing! This one is the right odd one. Can you find the odd apple emoji within time? This one is the right emoji. Excellent. Can you find the odd letter UA? Good job. This one is the odd letter. Identify the different number 96. Good job. You identify the right number. Puzzle Master can find the odd letter. Amazing! You are a puzzle master. Can you find the odd one emoji within time? Good job. This one is the odd emoji. Difficult to find the number 43. This one is difficult, but you find it. Can you find the unique letter within time? That's one, the unique letter. Can you solve this math quiz? 95 plus 26 minus 49 divided by 2. That one is the right answer. Focus Master can find the number 45. Good job. You are a focus master. Easy level done, medium level start. Anybody can find the odd emoji. That's one, the odd emoji. Find the odd number 964. Great job, you find it within given time. Find the odd letter TKB. Great job, this one is the odd letter. Impossible to find the odd number. Great job, this one impossible, but you find it. Can you find the odd one out emoji? Great, you picked the right emoji. One letter is different. Can you find it? Great job. This one is the different letter. Can you find the odd number 591? That's one, the odd number. Can you solve this math quiz? 8 multiply 9 plus 62 divide by 2. The right answer give me in the comment box. Can you find the letter MUI? You find the correct letter. Genius, can find the number 649. Really, you are a genius like Einstein. Can you find the odd emoji within given time? That's one, the odd emoji. Which one is the unique number? Can you find it? That's one is the unique number. Eyes test. Find the number 805. Anybody can find the letter HOP. Can you pick the odd one number within time? Amazing! You picked the odd one number. 2 exciting level done, hard level start. One food emoji is different. Can you find it? Yes, this one is the odd emoji. Are you smart? Find the odd number. Yes, you are smart. You find it. Can you find the odd letter within time? That one is the odd letter. Sharp eyes can find the odd number. Can you see it, the odd letter? %99 failed to find the odd emoji. Test your brain IQ. Your brain will be tested. You find it. Test your visual skill. Find the odd letter. Brand test. Find the number 8170. Only 4 eyes can find the odd letter. Brand teaser. Find the odd number. The last one. Can you find the odd letter? Thanks for watching this video. Comment your score. How many did you find the odd numbers, letters and emoji, and subscribe the channel.